Hello, I've come out to do some plein air sketching today. This is my friend Panda, chuckling in the background. And Peter's over there.
That's Mossy
And
and that's Fred.
Mossy and I don't know, Fred's in the bushes down there somewhere. And this is the scene that I'd like to do a quick watercolour sketch of. I've got my JustGoSketching bag and board. And I'm going to have a go at doing colour first and then the lines in afterwards. So this is my splodge layer complete. And Panda's splodge layer complete. And I forgot my ink pen, so I might do that bit at home and finish off later. I think that will have to do. The photo I took ended up being a bit blurry and I don't want to guess too much at any more of the detail. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.